Day 2 in Bangkok, and we started it off by taking in the breakfast spread at our accommodation, Centre Point Apartments in the Thong Lo area. If you didn't check out our first video arriving to Bangkok, go check that out.
Sorry. Trust me, we didn't know.
Yes, we've gone for the rice, chicken penang, sweet chili fish and broccoli with shrimp and jasmine rice for breakfast. Rossel drink, orange juice, guava. Sawadee krab. Good morning all, just practicing our Thai there. It's day 2 in Bangkok for us. I'm Ru.
And I'm Jude.
And together we're London Munch. We've just had breakfast at our accommodation, Centre Point. It's fantastic breakfast, by the way. I mean, not just, but we've had it. And now today is a temple day. That's the main motive for the day. So we're going to Wat Pho. It's one of the most popular temples in Bangkok. There's many, but we're going to visit 2 today. So we're going to start with Wat Pho, and we've just grabbed ourselves
a grab, which is basically like a Bolt or an Uber.
Yeah.
Something that you can literally just punch in your destination to and from. It gives you a set amount, like a price.
Yeah.
So you know that you're at ease. You don't need to kind of barter or anything like that. It
Yeah.
gets you from A to B.
Very convenient. You don't even need to question the meter, even though meters are not often questioned. But last night we had a little bit of an issue, so we downloaded Grab. Yeah, very convenient. So I recommend you do so yourself if you're arriving in Bangkok. But yeah, that's our next stop. So let's share our day with you.
See you soon.
See you. Wat Pho is a number of things away from its main draw, which we'll get to later. It's of course a place of worship, but it's also Thailand's earliest centre of public education. Onto the highlight here, the reclining Buddha, completed in 1848 and stunningly adorned with gold leaves. The very chilled out looking reclining Buddha here illustrates the passing of the Buddha into nirvana. It measures in at 46 meters long and 15 meters high. For comparative reference, the Christ Redeemer statue in Rio is 38 meters tall, including the 8-meter pedestal. Round the corner here, we quickly topped up our blessings, giving alms with placing these coins in the many bowls lined up here. Away from the main attraction, the grounds of the compound here were absolutely beautiful. Wat Pho holds the largest collection of Buddha images in Thailand. It was also getting super hot. Alright, Wat Pho was super impressive. You saw it. Stunning all round, with the reclining Buddha being the star of the show. And straight from there, no time to walk. It's actually a 5-minute walk from where we're going to next, which is Wat Arun, another temple in Bangkok. But instead of walking, we
I've opted for a crab.
And yeah, what are next? And if you're new to the channel, I'm Ru,
And I'm Jude.
and we're two East Londoners who love to travel and eat. And this channel is all about traveling and food and all the good that comes with that. So if you're new, please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help. So hit that subscribe button and keep watching. Got more Bangkok and more Thailand footage to come. So stay tuned.
At this point, the heat was taking it out of us. Well, more me, as walking about with crutches really does take it out. So we decided to hit up the main attraction here at Wat Arun and then keep it moving again. Known as the Temple of Dawn, it was named after the Indian god of dawn, Arun. It's this 82-meter high missile-shaped temple that's front and center of this whole compound. It's stunning. It's beautifully designed and crafted.
These steps are huge. Let's see. Lunges for days.
The decoration with ornate floral mosaics made from broken Chinese porcelain was really something. Yeah, I wasn't prepared to walk the extra way here. And after this, it was time for food.
Thank you.
Okay, and you break.
Thank you so much.
Maybe this one again?
Yes.
What's wrong? What's going on?
I ruptured my Achilles tendon playing football.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Still get those then. Get better.
Thank you so much. That was very sweet of him. He was one of the first people to actually ask what happened. Just to let you guys know, I ruptured my Achilles tendon playing football. Yeah, that's why I'm in the state I'm in, just in case you was wondering. But we good. We made it to, thank you so much, to a place called Thipsamai, and they specialize in their pad thai, so that's what we're trying to get.
Yeah. Okay.
And orange juice.
I'm hungry.
Yeah.
Hungry for some authentic pad thai.
This is a contraption we got from, where do you get it from? Amazon, which lets us take a seat when we're on the go. Bought for my condition right now, and it's proving super.
Did think it was a bit of a gimmick. Did think it was a waste. However, it's been one of the most useful things that we've used over the 2 days that we've been here so far.
It's been quite a lifesaver actually.
For real. And it's like hot. So
Yeah.
having that break, that time out,
Priceless.
priceless.
I didn't want to make these vlogs too much about my injury, but at the same time, I'm going to shed a bit of light on how mobility friendly Thailand, Bangkok, and all the other destinations, which are Phuket and Koh Samui, can be for someone who is
Injured.
injured. So, yeah. Looking forward to this pad thai.
So we've been given some, was it
Lime juice.
lime juice, says it there in lovely English.
bean sprouts, spring onion, some sort of herb, I'm not sure which, and here's our orange juice. And this is what they specialise in, their orange juice. There's bits in it, it looks delicious. I love how orange it looks, and yeah. Ooh, it smells like it's gonna be tart. That's amazing. The big chunky bits in there. So orangey. That's
Squeeze this morning.
That's delicious. That's so good. Yeah, that's so good.
Look. Bits.
Big bits.
Bits. Damn it. Wow.
Thank you. Wow. Amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Such a beautiful portion size as well. We both got the same thing, which I think is the classic pad thai with the prawns, egg, and shrimp. Stunning. Loving the colour of it. But before I put any condiments on, I'm just gonna try it as is. The shrimp is so good. It's got a shrimpy taste, and it's got that universally much loved flavour of pad thai, which is the sweetness of it first and foremost. But everything is coming out perfectly. It's a little bit too sweet for me, but that's why the condiments are here. But it's a delicious pad thai. Everything with it. It's got that fish sauce coming out. The sweetness is strong, and the tamarind comes through as well. It's delicious. Bear with me now. So we got the chili. We also got the sugar for whoever might like it more sweet than it already is. And then we have the chilies. So I'm gonna add a couple of these with the sauce.
Is it like a vinaigrette?
I believe so. I'm gonna add a bit of chili.
Ooh.
When in Thailand, gotta burn your mouth off with the spice. And gonna add a bit of lime juice. And what the hell, since it's here, I'm gonna put some fish sauce too. Oh, that was quite a bit.
You might as well chuck in some extra veg.
Let me chuck in some bean sprouts. Let me get busy with that. It's like I added everything in perfect quantity. It's amazing. I'm so amazing.
You're so amazing.
Yeah.
The pad thai is amazing.
No, but this is delicious. This is so good. Jude, get stuck in, enjoy yourself.
Oh yeah. It was amazing.
So good, right?
The rice noodles, oh, lovely.
So good.
So good. So good.
Thank you. We got a big one to take away. Thank you so much. All right, that was a delicious pad thai.
Amazing.
Yeah, so good. But because of its status and its nature as somewhat of a commercial place, it was on the higher end of the price range, just under £4 per pad thai, £3 something, but that is a very pricey pad thai, considering I'd imagine the average would be 40, 50, 60 baht, something around that. I think we paid 150 each. Anyway, it was great. We got an orange juice to take away, one of the big ones, and now we're off to a sky bar. If my pronunciation serves me right, it's Mahanakhon Bangkok Sky Bar. We'll show you, that's up next. We just jumped into a taxi, so a metered one, not a Grab, because we didn't have any Wi-Fi and there was no Wi-Fi in the local places. So yeah, see you there.
This is the Mahanakhon. It's got a very eye-catching design and it's Thailand's tallest building.
So for now, the sky bar failed, just because there was a big queue and also a 1,000 Thai baht entrance fee, which we wasn't prepared to all pay just because we thought it was free, and that coupled with the big queue meant we're not going there anymore. We're still in the nearby vicinity. Chu's gone to the toilet, then we're going to head home and then see what's in store for the rest of our evening.
The Mahanakhon building is definitely something for you to consider though. But we're going to wrap this video up here. Thanks for watching, and do tune into the next video where we visit Bangkok's John's Fair night market.
I was expecting it to be mainly food, but there seems to be a little bit of everything.